Luna Classic is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, I mentioned that there's a possibility for us to actually look for that manipulation wick before we enter our short position. You can see that pretty much right after I made the video, we did get this nice wick to the high side to around that 26 level that we mentioned, and then we rejected the exponential moving average, and now we are pushing further low again. This pretty much happens every time you hit a support, right, on Luna. It looks like every time you hit that support level, you get this nice little manipulation wick, and then the consolidation, and then the continuation downwards. This probably will happen all the way down till we get to around the 22 level before we see a possible bounce situation. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that that's going to be a guaranteed bounce, because you can see over on the BART formation down here, we did have the bottom here at 18 starting, right? So we can definitely be looking to retest the 18 level and then have a possible bounce situation like this. I would be expecting another manipulation wick coming soon, obviously before we test this major support level at 22. But if we do get a nice waterfall effect down to that 22 level, it's going to become extremely interesting for Luna Classic. I would like to see a 3-test bounce formation and then that push up, but there is another possibility, right? I didn't mention this before, but I'll mention it now. The other possibility is we do see these 3 wicks hit this level, and then we see a nice fake out candlestick, and then that continuation down, pushing to that 18 level. I have seen that pattern before for these BART formations, right? That can definitely happen too, so just be very, very wary of that. You don't want to be entering a position too soon, because again, this can technically still be seen as a support level for Luna Classic. Right around that 24 level, we can consolidate, have a nice push up. From a bullish case scenario, we would have to get above these exponential averages, which looks like we've been failing to get above all the way back over here on October 11th, right? We pretty much saw the break of that candlestick, and since then we've been in this downward trend on Luna Classic. So once you see that push above these exponential moving averages, you know that it's going to be an extremely large move. Something like this can definitely happen for Luna Classic because of the volatility. Now over here on the hourly time frame, we have a better understanding of what exactly happened. You can see that manipulation wick yesterday had that beautiful push up. We caught that liquidity. A lot of people started entering some long positions here. Now we are trading below, once again, below the exponential moving averages, and still using this as a support. Ideally, anything below this wick at the 23-24 mark is going to be confirmation of that move to the downside. So you guys have to be very, very careful before you enter that short position, right? You want to wait for that confirmation. Like I said, a lot of people probably entered a short position right here, hoping that this is going to be the bottom. Then they got wicked out right above here, right? So ideally, what you want to see on the lower time frames is you want to see multiple tests and then that confirmation. Once you get that multiple test, then you know for a fact that there's not going to be another bounce, and you can play that move very safely. If you enter that position too early and then you start seeing a bounce and then a move upwards, then you're pretty much caught in that position going all the way up to that next resistance level, which you don't want to be a part of. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have one.